Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. If you have 2 or more Snapchat profiles, being able to easily switch between them without having to sign in to different devices is definitely helpful for any user. In this video, I will show you how to access 2 different Snapchat accounts that work for both iPhone and Android devices. Let's go. To make sure that everything works the same for you, see to it your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store if you're on iOS, or the Google Play Store instead for Android devices. Search for Snapchat, and click the Update button if available. After updating to the latest version of Snapchat, the next step is to sign in to your account so that your login information is stored in the app. Launch Snapchat, and click your Bitmoji icon in the upper left corner if you're currently signed in to one of your accounts. Next, go to Settings, scroll down, and click Log Out. On the Sign In page, tap Use Other Account and provide the user credentials you want to add. Each time you sign in, your profile information is automatically saved, so you can easily switch between accounts if you have more than one. Just log out of one account and choose the profile you want to switch to on the login page. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.